This video shows you how to install the optional tray to your printer. Turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet and then from the printer. Unpack the optional tray and then remove all packing material. The to position is the default shipping position. Flip the tray label only when installing a second optional tray. Align the printer with the optional tray, and then lower the printer into place. Connect the power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. Turn on the printer.